Well, first, I just want to say thank you to the citizens of Multan for welcoming us here today. It's been a fantastic visit. It's my first time in Multan, my first time in South Punjab. The richness of the history and the culture is extraordinary. The quality of the food is wonderful. I'm enjoying the mangoes. And being able to see the shrines today. And yesterday we went to the old clock tower, where there's a lot of work being done to preserve the skills and the arts and crafts of this region. And then to see today how many of those artists are using their skills to help preserve the shrines and preserve the historic sites here in the walled city of Multan. It's been very gratifying and very positive. And I'm also very, very happy that the U.S. government over the years has been able to provide some assistance in those efforts. A lot of it has been through the Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation. We've helped preserve over 35 sites around Pakistan over the years, including several of the shrines here. So, like I said, it's very gratifying, it's very positive to be able to see that work has produced such great results, and that we can continue this very strong, positive relationship between the United States and the people of this region.
You're
so thank
looking
you.
Very handsome in Pakistani outfit. You're also pretty, ma'am, in Pakistani outfit. What would you like to say about our custom and culture and traditions?
Yeah, well, this is my third time in Multan and in South Punjab, and it is always fantastic to have an opportunity to come back to this beautiful and historic region. Very glad to have had the chance to visit the shrines today, which, as the Deputy Chief of Mission mentioned, several of them have been supported with U.S. support in terms of cultural preservation. My Urdu is not great, but I'll add one sentence in Urdu for you. Thaqafati tahaffuz ke ye maqamat Amerika aur Pakistan ke darmiyan mazboot shurakat ki alamat hai.
Thank you.